When we think about evolution or the origin of life, we usually view it from one of two camps. There is the creationist or design camp, and there's the evolution or random mutation camp. Allow me to suggest that God did it is not a scientific answer. It's not testable, or is it even helpful? Likewise, randomness is not a scientific answer. It's not testable, nor is it helpful in any way. Randomness, when you think about it, is almost the same answer as God did it. Allow me to propose that we take these answers off the scientific table, since neither of these theories are actually scientific. I would like to suggest that if we want to look further into how evolution created complex life, we need to take a look at life itself, or DNA. Now, in order to understand how DNA works, we need to think of it as code, which it is. Now, I'll use this image of a Scrabble board and Scrabble pieces to demonstrate. Now, when you play Scrabble, we don't just shake up the pieces and lay them down, whatever happens, whatever comes up. No, we think about entire words and see if they fit and make sense. DNA does the same thing. You see, one must change entire blocks of DNA at the same time, or the DNA recognizes that change as an unwanted mutation and repairs itself. Hyperevolution looks into DNA for the answers, and what it finds is this self-fixing, self-creating algorithm. You see, hyperevolution demands that science work within the principles of a code-based system, because DNA is code, a program, intentional organization, and code cannot be purposeless. Well, that doesn't even make sense. Code is the transfer of complex symbols with the purpose of communicating. And hyperevolution simply recognizes that the implications of self-building DNA are enormous. Self-building DNA already exists in every living thing. Think of it, code that writes code. The possibilities are endless. Computers that improve with age instead of developing bugs. Computers that evolve automatically in months without humans even having to write code. Software that fights off viruses without ever having to update. Self-organizing neural networks, even artificial intelligence.